Hi everyone, and welcome to the current episode of The Daily Grind. In today's episode, yes, I am still making swimsuits, and I'll be making them for several months, so you didn't really miss anything here if you're following along. I am using the Pinup Girls Three Sisters bikini pattern, and I have made all three versions of the tops, and they all came out great. And then I made one of the bottoms, and this is the most recent make I made. This is the twisty front. This is the Marcia pattern right here, and all of these bras in this pattern have a frame underneath. So when I lift this up, this is bra foam. Well, you can use it as swim foam as well. And you make your frame and then you add in the overlay on top. So these cups that I made, there's an inner cup and an outer cup, and there's also bra casing, the underwire casing that I put in the bottom because the pattern calls for it, and I even added an underwire. On any of these patterns, if you don't like underwires and you don't feel like you want to insert one, you can still put in the bra casing because that'll give you a little extra support, but don't put in the underwire. That's going to be entirely up to you, but I like underwires, and so that's why I really love this pattern and put them in. But overall, these fit great. I will be modeling them for you, but it has been fairly cold, and we're finally getting some 70-degree weather this week. So we're going to talk a little bit more about styles and proportion, because you're going to see on me, I've talked about this before. The one thing I hate is when people say, oh, you can wear anything, you're thin. No, some things look better on me than others, and you're actually going to see this in action when I show you. So I do have certain styles that I like already. But the point of this Daily Grind episode is some of the things that go into making a swimsuit, and that would be the foam cups. So I want to tell you a couple places where I bought foam cups. And this one right here, I got these from Amazon, and I really, believe it or not, I really like them. They had the triangle ones, and then they had more of the fuller Brock style angled ones. But this is the larger triangle. The ones that I got from Amazon have great foam in them. These are not the sticky ones. These are sew-in foam cups. So I really like these. I thought they were super. And then the other day I got an order from Sly Fox Fabrics. They were having a sale on their foam cups, and I got black and white. These are small of the U-shaped foam cups that you can put in swimwear. Just give you minimal coverage just so you don't have nipple show through. But this will also give you a little extra support. I like to have these in stock as well. I just think that's really good. And then I did place an order at So Sassy, and I think these are from So Sassy. I got a white and I got a cream color one, but here's the cream. These are more of a traditional bra style. You could use these to make a bra, or you could use them in swimwear, but when I turn them around, you'll see they have push-up padding in these as well. So it really gives you a nice look depending on the style that you are using. And then I have some more over here. This was from, actually I can't remember where this was from. This might have been from Amazon too. I'm not 100% sure. But these are also triangular foam cups. And these have no padding inside, but these are a little bit larger, no padding. Some other places you can get these from, like I said, Amazon, Sly Fox was having a sale. You can get them from Gigi's Bra Supplies, and Gigi's is the U.S. distributor for Bra Maker Supply, which sells these patterns. So you can get them in a shorter period of time, and then you don't have to pay that extra shipping when it's coming from Canada. And another place I like to purchase bra making supplies and also swim supplies from is So Sassy. That is a U.S. company, and they're pretty speedy in their shipping as well, and their prices are very reasonable. So check those out if you're thinking about adding swim foam cups to something that you're making, a bikini or a swimsuit that you're making, or if you want to boost your ready-to-wear up a little bit, check these out. Some other things I do want to show you is from Gigi's Bra Making Supply. I did get the Underwires, and what's nice about Gigi's, because they are the USA distributor for Bra Maker Supply, the pattern that I'm using, these are the underwires that they recommend for this particular pattern. So you have to choose your size. I was a little unclear what size I should buy, and I know in the past for bra making I have purchased both, and I couldn't remember what I used in the bras that I made. So I purchased both, and I ended up using a size 34 in these bra styles from the Pinup Girls pattern. And it doesn't mean that I'm not going to be able to use my 36s. If I wanted to use 36, I could always make this area a little bit higher. I could make this area come up a little higher. So I can get some use out of these, but right out of the pattern, I'm using a 34. So I wanted to cover some of the places you can go to for your bra and swim making supplies, and I will put the links down below in the description, and I hope this helps you out. If you need encouragement on swimsuits, oh my gosh, you guys, you have to make them. They're turning out so well, and as with anything, swimsuits are just one of those things where you can take good measurements, and you may have the first swimsuit bomb out, totally not fit you, but put it on. It's a learning experience, and use some cheaper fabric. Like, I always use fabric that I don't, it's not my favorite fabric for my muslins, so to speak, and they usually end up being wearable. But you want to make that first one. Hopefully it's going to fit you beautifully, and if it does, then you're free to go and make the other one right away. Or if you're like me, you have to make alterations. Usually on bras and panties and swimsuit, it usually takes me 3 tries to get it perfect. And luckily on the pinup pattern, it was almost perfect right from the get-go, which rarely happens for me. So I was thrilled. All right, you guys, get going. It's almost swimsuit season, and I want to see you try at least bikini bottoms because they're very easy. And if you get really ambitious, make a bikini top or make a one-piece because they're very easy as well. Take care, and until next time, happy sewing.